So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic forest ecology. Forests are our natural resources. They have a vital role in maintaining a balanced ecological system. Forests help in global recycling of water, oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen in a balanced way. We all know the importance of forest in our environment. और उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस इतनी ज़्यादा है कि दैट दे हेल्प्स इन द ग्लोबल रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ वाटर ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्रोजन एंड दैट टू इन अ वेरी बैलेंस्ड वे. In controlling the environment and to maintain a healthy ecosystem, forests or trees have a greater role to play in it. Now, impact of forest. Forests are a great national wealth. They provide fuel, wood and timber for construction and pulp for paper, gums, resins, turpentine and allied materials, as well as a variety of medicines. So forests give us wood, they give us pulp and they give us various types of medicines. So they are a very important natural resource for us. The loss of forest areas has resulted in the persistent loss of these valuable materials. और जो चीज़ें forest हमें दे रहे हैं, अगर forest या trees ही नहीं रहेंगे, so these valuable materials has to be lost out also. Forests have great role in maintaining ecological balance on the earth. Forest ecology is responsible for maintaining an adequate balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the environment. So what is the function of forest in the global environment? That they maintain the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the environment. They also stop floods. Forests control humidity of the environment and regulate the weather conditions. The weather conditions are regulated by the forest. All wild animals, including those which are our national pride, get their food and shelter from the forest. Our national animal or the national pride is tiger, and various types of animals, they reside in forests. So they need to be protected because it is their survival. The forests protect the disappearing species of many wild animals and birds and keep the nature balanced. In order to maintain a pollution-free environment, forests have a greater role. There is an effective need to conserve a natural heritage of forest resources, not only to derive timber, fuel and other resources, but to protect the ecosystem, to ensure a balanced level of oxygen and carbon dioxide, to prevent soil erosion, to regulate the weather conditions, to rescue the environment from toxic pollutants, and last but not the least, to improve the quality of the environment in order to maintain a healthy ecosystem. So जो materials forest हमें देते हैं, for example fuel, wood, timber, pulp and gums, इन सब के लिए हमें फॉरेस्ट को प्रिजर्व नहीं करना है. वी हैव टू प्रिजर्व देम बिकॉज दे आर अ हैबिटेट और अ सर्वाइवल इन्वायरमेंट फॉर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ इशूज़, फॉर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ स्पीशीज़, और दैट नीड्स टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड क्योंकि ये हमारा सॉइल इरोजन में हेल्प करते हैं. दे रेगुलेट द फ्लड, दे रेगुलेट द वाटर टेम्परेचर एंड दे ऑल्सो रेगुलेट द बैलेंस अमाउंट ऑफ बैलेंस इन द oxygen and carbon dioxide in the environment. So they needs to be protected not only because of our needs, they need to be protected because they maintain a healthy ecosystem in an environment. So the forests are a very important part of our global environment and they needs to be protected. So this is it for this video. I hope you are able to understand it. In the following video we will be covering the topic wildlife. Thank you so much.